How much are real estate attorney fees in New York City? We'll demystify this topic in the following video. I'm Nick at Hauseit. Visit our website Hauseit.com to learn about ways to save money when buying or selling real estate here in New York City. So let's get started. The average real estate attorney fee for a purchase or sale transaction in New York City is $2,000 to $3,000. Lawyer fees can be as high as $5,000 for a more complex transaction and for new developments, or simply if you're working directly with a highly experienced attorney, such as a named partner of a law firm. There are also light-touch discount lawyers available who charge flat fees as low as $800. In order to make such a low price financially viable, discount attorneys typically outsource most of the actual work to lower-cost paralegals and support staff. So like with anything else in life, you get what you pay for. So always be sure to ask who you'll actually be working with on a day-to-day basis during the course of your real estate transaction. It's also important to keep in mind that rates are higher for real estate attorneys based in Manhattan and the city compared to attorneys based in lower-cost locations such as Long Island or the Hudson Valley. We strongly encourage you to work with an attorney that specializes in real estate deals in New York City, as opposed to an attorney who dabbles in a variety of fields such as criminal law and divorce. An attorney who is unfamiliar with New York City real estate or simply doesn't do that many deals here may not be aware of the norms in a contract or the expected timeline for completing buyer due diligence and contract negotiation. Are real estate attorney fees charged hourly? No. Real estate attorney fees are typically structured as a flat fee per completed deal. You should be careful of any lawyer asking for hourly pay for a real estate transaction, as that's a sure sign that the attorney does not specialize in real estate deals. This will sometimes occur when buyers or sellers insist on using their family lawyer. A good person, most likely someone who has worked with their family on a variety of issues from prenuptial agreements to incorporating a business. However, such a lawyer who claims to do a bit of everything will usually not have much experience in real estate transactions. And in New York City real estate, having an attorney who's not experienced can be a big mistake. Do you pay real estate lawyer fees upfront? Real estate attorney fees are typically taken at closing and will be part of your closing costs mentioned in your lawyer's closing statement. Now, some lawyers may negotiate for half or some other portion of the fee to be paid upfront, with the remainder to be paid at closing. Some attorneys may ask for an engagement letter to be signed, which outlines the terms of such an arrangement as this. Real estate lawyer fees for complex sales. Real estate attorney fees can be higher for more complex transactions that will simply take more of the attorney's time. For example, real estate lawyer fees could be higher for a complicated estate sale with heirs that are hard to track down and a power of attorney involved. Or the real estate attorney fees could be higher for a purchase involving a foreign buyer and a convoluted corporate structure. Real estate attorney fees for new developments. Real estate lawyer fees can often be doubled when buying a new construction home in New York City. That's because developers typically expect the buyer to pick up some of their closing costs, such as New York City and New York State transfer taxes, as well as the developer's attorney fees. As a result, a buyer of a new construction condo may end up paying for both their own attorney fees plus the seller's attorney fees. Unfortunately for buyers of new development condos and co-ops or houses, the rate charged by the sponsor's attorney is decided by the sponsor. Moreover, rates charged by sponsors' attorneys have been inflating quite a bit as of late, and it's not uncommon to see $3,000 to even $5,000 being charged by the sponsor's attorney. Of course, closing costs for new developments are negotiable, and in many cases you can negotiate for the seller, also known as the developer or sponsor, to cover their own attorney fees. So there you have it. We hope you found this video helpful. I'm Nick at Hauseit. Visit our website Hauseit.com to save money when buying or selling real estate here in New York City. And if you like this video, do us a favor, hit like, subscribe, leave us a comment. We greatly appreciate it, and we hope to see you on the next video.